Students, welcome to Mathematical Slideshow, Standard 7, Chapter number 3, HCF and LCM, Part 3. Last lecture we have learned about how to find out HCF of given number. HCF means highest common factor or GCD. GCD means greatest common divisor. Today's lecture we learn about LCM. LCM means least, means lowest common multiple. We see concept least means lowest common multiple means LCM. LCM of the given number is the smallest number that is divisible by each of the given numbers. This statement we have understand using examples. First method, table method or multiple methods. We see example 1. Find the LCM of 5, 4 and 8. Now first we write table of 5. Observe here table of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 up to we can't say, that is infinite numbers in a table of each number. Got it? We write table of 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 up to infinite numbers here or in infinite multiples. We write table of 8, 1 is 8, 2 is 16, 3 is 24, 4 is 32, 5 is 40 up to infinite numbers. In these tables of 3 numbers, observe carefully. In these 3 tables, some numbers become same, means common numbers in these tables. So first we find out common multiples of 5, 4 and 8. Which these are? Observe carefully here. Table of 5, table of 4, table of 8. In these 3 tables, 40 is first common multiple of these 3 tables. 40 is common multiple of these 3 tables. So we write here 40. Common multiple of 5, 4 and 8 is equal to 40. 40 is divided by 5 or 4 or 8. Understand? 40 is the smallest number which divisible by 5, also divisible by 4, also divisible by 8. So 40 is the LCM of 5, 4 and 8. Now second example, LCM of the given number is the smallest number that is divisible by each of the given number. Second example, find the LCM of 15, 20 and 12. We write tables of each number. Table of 15, 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45 up to infinite number. Second number 20, table of 20, 21s are 20, 22s are 40, 23s are 60 up to infinite numbers. Table of 12, 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36 up to infinite. In these three tables we find out common multiples of 15, 20 and 12. First common multiple is 60. Second common multiple is 20. Up to some common multiples come in these three numbers of table. Okay, but we take two common multiples. First common multiple 60 and second common multiple 120, because we use only smallest common multiple, that is the LCM of these numbers. So we write this table and using minimum common multiples, that is 60 and 120, up to these common multiples are must be infinite. But lowest common multiple, that is LCM. So LCM of 15, 20 and 12 is 60. So LCM of 15, 20 and 12 is 60. This is the first method you learned in 6th standard. Now we use factors method, that is prime factors method. Find the LCM of 12 and 15. First we write factors of 12. You learn that method, how to find out factors of given numbers. Factors of 12, first product 2 into 6, 6 is composite numbers, we write another multiplication 2, and factors of 16, 2 into 2 into 3, these are prime numbers 2 and 3. So product of prime numbers finished here. Factors of 15 is equal to 3 into 5, 3 and 5 as prime numbers. So steps here finished. Now the common factors of 12 and 15 is only 3. The common factors of 12 and 15 is only 3. So 3 is common factors, but we learned that the product of common factors is the GCD or HCF of these numbers. So we first find out product of common factors, that is a HCF of that numbers. So 3 is GCD or HCF of 12 and 15. You learned that example how to find out HCF. But next step, here some numbers are non-common. So the non-common factors of 12 and 15 are 2 and 5. 2 come here 2 times and 5 1 time, that is non-common factors 2 to 5. Now how to find out LCM of 12 and 15? So LCM of 12 and 15 is equal to HCF of that numbers and non-common factors, multiplication of HCF and non-common factors, that is LCM of 12 and 15 is equal to HCF into non-common factors. So next step, HCF is 3 and non-common factors are 2 to 5. We write multiplication form of that numbers, 3 into 2 into 2 into 5. This answer become here 60. Got it? Observe example carefully. First we write factors of 12, factors of 15. First we use common factors of these two numbers. Next we write non-common factors, and when we come to find out LCM, we write product of HCF and non-common factors of these numbers. When we complete that multiplication, answer become 60. So LCM of 12 and 15 is 60. Second example, find the LCM of 60, 24 and 36. First we write factors of 60. First product 2 into 30, 30 is composite numbers. Next we write another product steps, 2 into 15, 15 become composite numbers. We take factors of 15, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, these are product of prime numbers. So factors of 60 become here 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. We write factors of 24, 2 into 12, 12 is composite number. Next step, write factors of 12, 2 into 6, 6 also composite number. Next we write factors of 6, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 3 is factors of 6. 2 and 3 prime numbers, so prime factors of 24 finished here. We write factors of 36. First product 2 into 18, 18 is composite number, so we write factors of 18. Second step, 2 into 9, 9 is composite number, so we write factors of 9. Next method, next step, 2 into 3 into 3, 2 and 3 prime numbers, so factors of 36, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now we find out first common factors, the common factors of 60, 24 and 36. Observe carefully. First factor 2, second factor 2, means 2 come 2 times, 2 comes 2 times common in these numbers. Next 3 is one time each number's factor, so common factors here only 2 times and 3 one time. So 2 into 2 into 3, the product become 12. We learned that product of common factors, that is a GCD or HCF. So 12 is the HCF of 60, 24 and 36. Now we find out next step the non-common factors of 60, 24 and 36. First non-common factor 5, 2 and 3. First non-common factor 5, second 2 and third 3. We write product of that non-common factor 5, 2 and 3. So LCM of 60, 24 and 36 is product of HCF and non-common factor. Product of HCF and non-common factor. HCF here become 12 and non-common factors are 5, 2 and 3. We write product of the HCF and non-common factors 5 into 2 into 3 and first into HCF. So 12 into 5 into 2 into 3. We complete this product. Answer obtained here 360. 360. So the LCM of 60, 24 and 36 is 360. Their statement here below this example, LCM of given number is the product of HCF and all non-common factors of these numbers. So student, we see next example. Find the LCM of 18 and 35. 18 and 35 are co-prime numbers. First write factors of 18. 2 into 9. 9 composite number. 2 into 3 into 3. Factors of 35 is equal to 5 into 7. Factors of two numbers complete here. We find out common factors. First numbers factors 2 into 3 into 3 and second numbers factors 5 into 7. Factors of 18 2 into 3 into 3. Factors of 35 5 into 7. When we find the LCM, first we find out common factors of these numbers, but there is no one common factors. No anyone common factors. No number except 1 is a common factor here. एक सोडून कोणताही कॉमन फॅक्टर इथं मिळत नाही. So hence HCF of 18 and 35 is 1. We find out product of common factors, that is HCF, but here no any one common factors in these two numbers 18 and 35. So HCF of 18 and 35 is 1, and remaining factors also non-common factors. So LCM of 18 and 35, HCF into non-common factors, HCF is 1 and remaining all factors are non-common factors of these two numbers. So write product 1 and product of first numbers factor and second numbers factor, that is 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7 and first HCF 1. We complete this product. Answer become 630. 630. We learned that 18 and 35 are co-prime numbers because of the HCF of these two numbers is 1, and we learned that when the HCF of two numbers is 1, these numbers are co-prime numbers. In these examples 18 and 35 are co-prime numbers. When we take a product of this 18 and 35, so 18 into 35 is equal to, answer become 630. And first we use factors of 18 and 35. Using this method, factors method, answer become 630. We take next product of these two numbers, also answer become 630. Means these two answers are same. Here statement become the HCF of co-prime numbers is 1. Like this, LCM of co-prime numbers is product of these two numbers. Product of these two numbers. Product means multiplication. Product of these two numbers. LCM of co-prime numbers is the product of these numbers. Got it? Now we learn fourth example. Find the LCM of 15 and 16. First we write factors of 15, that is 3 into 5. Factors of 16 is equal to 2 into 8. It is composite numbers. We write factors of 8, 2 into 2 into 4. Next we write factors of 4, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Using that factors, we see carefully there is no any one common numbers. No number except 1 is a common divisor. Hence HCF of 15 and 16 is equal to 1. But 15 and 16 are numbers are consecutive numbers. See carefully. First we write the factors of 15 and 16. The factors of 15 is 3 into 5. Factors of 16, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. When we observe that factors, there is no any one common number. No number except 1 is common divisor. Hence HCF of 15 and 16 is equal to 1. So LCM of 15 and 16 is equal to HCF into non-common factors is equal to 1 into product of two numbers factors. Product obtained here 240. But 15 and 16 are consecutive natural numbers. We take a product of these 15 and 16, also product become 240. First we using factors method, LCM become 240. Now we take a product of 15 and 16, also answer become 240. Means two answers are same. So statement here, LCM of consecutive natural numbers is the product of these numbers. When we take LCM of any consecutive numbers and then you find out factors of these numbers, using that factors you find lowest common multiple and you take this multiplication of these two consecutive numbers, the product obtained, these two answers remains same. So the LCM of consecutive natural number is the product of these number. In मराठी कोणत्याही दोन क्रमवार नैसर्गिक संख्येचा लसावी म्हणजे LCM हा त्या दोन संख्येचा गुणाकार असतो. Got it? So student, watch this video carefully and solve practice set number 13 question number 1. Thank you.